Ciao amici, sono Esmeralda con Italian at Your Service Language Institute. Sono qui ad ricordarvi a tutti che Italian at Your Service Language Institute chiuderà per le ferie e apriamo a 15 di luglio. So I'm here, friends, to remind you that Italian at Your Service Language Institute is going to close for the summer vacation, finally, and it's going to open in July, in the middle of July. For everybody and everyone that is interested to study Italian language, please send me a text or scan on the brochure that you guys will see on the screen. There is a little code, and scan of that brochure little code over there, and you guys can go to my website and then you get an appointment, and I'll make sure that my assistants are going to check on that and have an appointment with you after the vacation. So Italian Your Service is going to go to Italy, and we're going to have more experience. We're going to have a great time. In the same time, I'm going to invite everybody and thank you to my students and to everyone that has been part of this school year. We're going to start the new year in 2026, nuovo anno scolastico, and that will start in September. So everybody that wants to contact me, please send an email or a text message. At the same time, I want to say thank you to my students and all my teamwork, because it was an amazing year. We have done a lot of activities and we had so much fun. We did the podcast with Italy, emergency situations. We learned how to merge in Italy, how to learn if something healthy or problems come up. And we talked live with our doctors in Treviso at the pharmacy and about all the basics problems that can happen to everybody on their trip to Italy. After that, we have done a karaoke party when my students, amazingly, they perform in Italian language. In that event, we talk about the heritage. We talked about how the first immigrants come in Italy. It was amazing part of my material. Living the past and enjoying the present. How this Italian generation, second and third generation, will they remember from their family, grandparents, and everybody that brought their name here in United States. After that, my class was an honor. We were part of inauguration of Italian office, the first Italian office in Boise. It was with so much pride. They did a fabulous job. We sang the Italian anthem. What a marvelous year, guys. It was a great experience. So everybody that likes to be part of this story, next year we are going to start in September. Register yourself and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao ragazzi, buone vacanze. Ciao, Esmeralda.